How would you describe Knight Fintech in one word?
University.
Ethical.
Pioneers.
Disruptors.
Evolution.
Empowered. Visionary.
Trailblazing.
Revolutionary.
Innovative.
Empowering technology. If you had to give Knight Fintech a tagline, what would it be?
We make it happen.
Heroes are made by the path they choose.
Not with the power they graced with.
Smarter way for co-lending.
Transforming ideas into solutions.
Revolutionizing finance one click at a time.
Empowering your financial future.
Building a secure and brighter financial future.
Making finance smarter, simpler and more secure.
Change is the only constant.
Empowering financial future. The future of banking. Convert pens into dollars.
We are all better when we are together.
Your vision, our gold.
Make a slogan for your department.
जान लगा देंगे. We're bringing in the money.
Transforming data to decisions.
We do better than the rest.
Put us to test.
We are the caffeine of the company.
Your success, our priority.
One team, one dream.
Making visions into reality.
Innovation in every bite.
Strive for perfection.
Without data, you are just another person with an opinion.
आपकी सौंदर्यता की राज.
Your passion, our beauty.
If we had to have a movie title for Knight Fintech, what would it be?
We're gonna have Code Ka Jadoo.
Catch us if you can.
Big Bull.
The Godfather.
Digital Titans.
The Fintech Fix.
The Midas Touch.
Wolf of the Wall Street, but ethically.
Knight Fintech Guardians for tomorrow.
What superhero would Knight Fintech be and why?
Invincible. Because of the strength and the power. Spider-Man. With the great power comes great responsibility.
I'll go with Saitama. This is a character from One Punch Man. Because Saitama came out of nowhere and so did Knight Fintech. Within 5 years, we became the strongest in the game.
Ant-Man. Small in size, but knows how to do big tasks.
Iron Man, because he's not blessed with any superpowers, but he has amazing skills and technology with what he makes the things amazing.
Naruto, because he came from nothing and we also came from nothing and we are he was the head of his town and we are also leading in our industry.
How would you describe a day at Knight Fintech using a hashtag?
In a good company.
Hashtag doers.
Hashtag Fintech Frontiers.
Hashtag Tech Talks.
Share some of the most common Knight Fintech slangs.
कुछ पता तो नहीं, प्रोडक्शन चल रहा है ना?
ये टास्क प्रायोरिटी पर है.
ए फटा.
कल डेमो है and आज जल्दी जाना है.
मचाया क्या?
मचाएंगे.
Changes commit करना है. Priority है.
How would you describe Knight Fintech in a Bollywood dialogue?
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है शहंशाह.
बेटा काबिल बनो काबिल, कामयाबी झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आ गई.
जहाँ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स का दी एंड होता है कस्टमर की हैप्पी एंडिंग शुरू होती है.
जब लोग तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ बोलने लगे तो समझ लो तुम तरक्की कर रहे हो.
कोडिंग में एक सेमीकोलन की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू?
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
तो जिंदगी है तो नाइट फिंटेक की तरह, सारी दुनिया रात की तरह नीचे और हम दूर की तरह ऊपर.
If you could switch roles with anyone else in the company for a day, who would it be and why?
It would be Webby.
Why?
Marketing is again a new learning, so definitely I would love to be at her place once to look out where we are up to.
It's Kushal.
Why?
क्योंकि वो पुरुष ही नहीं है. महापुरुष है. महापुरुष. But yeah, on a better note, it's like all roles are given perfectly to each and everyone. So I don't think anyone can take place of anyone.
It cannot be switched. Because as a brother, मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसके ऊपर जो प्रेशर वो एक दिन के लिए मैच झेलो और उसको रेस्ट मिले.
Definitely it will be Kushal Rastogi, our CEO, because I want to know where does he get so much of his energy and positive attitude from.
If you could describe our company culture in 3 words, what would they be?
Learn, work, implement.
Strategic, collaborative, inclusive.
Progressive, collaborative and result driven.
Transparent, challenging, innovative. Flexible, innovative and collaborative.
परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा,
अनुशासन.
Ambitious, growing and hustlers.
Driven, energetic and fun.
Innovative, collaborative, growth oriented.
Fun, growth oriented and inspiring.
Dynamic, agile and visionary.
Dream, work, achieve.